In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickUp. If you're new to this powerful project management tool, don't worry. Together, we'll walk through the initial steps to get you up and running smoothly. Whether you're managing complex projects or simply organizing your daily tasks, ClickUp offers a robust platform to suit your needs. To get started, you'll first need a ClickUp account. If you've already created one, you're all set, but if not, head over to clickup.com. Once you're there, look for the sign up or get started, it's free button, and go ahead and click it. This process is straightforward and only takes a few moments. You'll then be asked to name your workspace. Here you can use your company name, team name, or keep it personal with something like My Hub. The choice is entirely yours, so go with what feels right for your situation. As you proceed, ClickUp will prompt you with a few basic questions. These are optional, so feel free to skip through most of them if you want to keep things simple and focus on essential steps. For now, let's also skip the step of inviting people into your workspace. You'll have plenty of time to do that once you've got everything set up just the way you like it. Once you've taken care of these initial settings, it's time to start organizing. Direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll notice a plus icon next to the word Spaces. Clicking this icon will allow you to breathe life into your new workspace by giving it a name. You'll also have the opportunity to set permissions. It's wise to keep the workspace private initially while you familiarize yourself with the features before adding your team or collaborators. After setting your permissions, click Continue and then Create Space. With your space ready, it's time to delve into its structure by clicking the plus icon next to the space name. Select List from the options, which will bring up a new window. Here, you'll enter the name of your first list, perhaps something like General To Do. Give it a little thought, as this will guide how you organize your tasks within ClickUp. Once you've settled on a name, hit Create, and voila, you have a list. Now, let's add some tasks to your fresh list. Navigate to the General To-Do list. You'll see an option to Add Task. Click on this and then type in the action item that you plan to accomplish. Something like Review ClickUp Tutorials could be a good start. This is where ClickUp truly shines, allowing you to assign the task, give it a due date, and begin tracking your progress. And that's it. You've set up your ClickUp account and started creating a workspace that aligns perfectly with your needs. From here, you can expand, include teammates, and customize it further to optimize your productivity. So take some time to explore and make ClickUp work for you.